Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I am here today with a Your Creative Studio unboxing. And I cannot wait to open this one because I didn't peek, but I've been seeing people unbox this, and I think I know the theme, and I'm excited about the theme. So even though I didn't peek, I still think I know what's in here. So let's go ahead and open this. This is a monthly subscription box. I think this month is wrong. That's what they were telling me in my email. But this is a monthly subscription box with lots of collaging, stationery, junk journal things, and you'll see what comes in this box. But if you're interested, I will have them linked down below. Go ahead and check them out. All right, I really loved the last box. I used up all the stickers that they sent me last time, the blue flowers, and I really loved it. So it's nice to receive these things that you can just jump in and use, and it's all one theme. Yeah, this is what I've been seeing. This is a sewing theme. They always send a cute card. And you guys have seen me unbox them before. This was sent to me. So thank you, Your Creative Studio, for sending your boxes to me. I've done quite a few of these already, and it looks pretty already. All right, let me move this aside. And there's one thing I'm so excited about just from looking right now. But let's go ahead and check this out. All right, this looks very it's first of all very light. So this paper is very light, and it looks very, I think they're, okay, so the front, I guess there's half and half, or there's different ones. So there's this one with like a checklist type of situation. And then if you go down a few, I love that it's so light. There's days of the week right here. So this can definitely be used in a planner, but it can also be used for collaging. And there's a list. I love making to-do lists, and whenever I get things like this, I like to try it out and see if it works out for me. And another to-do list. So really cool. It's practical and also really great for a basic image in a collage. All right, here's washi tape. I'm gonna get my letter opener to open this. I'm always interested to see what the washi tape is each month. And this one looks like like there's a button right there. Let's go ahead and open it. There's thread, a thimble, buttons, a ruler. Really cool. I think it'll look nice in a sewing or fashion layout. So that is cool. This is a stamp. And this is really nice. It's a nice, good size, and it looks very vintage. It almost reminds me of the way the Tim Holtz stamps are, the way it's drawn. So I love that. And I'm always looking for sewing things, especially vintage sewing. And here's a little doily. This is always useful. This can be, you can experiment by dyeing it too. So there's that. It fits with the theme. And this card is really pretty too. Here's some, it says masking tape. It's very thin and delicate. I feel like a print like this can just be like a little bit of enhancement on a page. I don't know if it's focusing there, but that's cool. It's different. I'm just gonna save the best. I already see it and know what it is, and you guys probably see it too, but I'm gonna save that one. Okay, this is another stamp. This is a great way to build your stamp collection, and I love these little stamps here. I love little stamps because it's easy to use and clean. That's a measuring tape. This is a little thread and needle. And this is a bobbin. That is super cute. I already have a stamp set that looks kind of like this. It's very vintage looking, and I think these pieces will be a great addition to it to kind of fill it out. I think these are, so it's a stamp sticker set. I really love this theme. This like vintage fashion and sewing theme is the whole reason why I got into junk journals. So I love this. These are, it looks like these are clear stickers, and they are okay, actually I don't know. Okay, so yeah, they're clear stickers and they're cut into squares, or not necessarily squares, but like rectangles. That one really looks like a stamp. These will be interesting to collage with because they're different. That's really cool, and it's clear, so you could just put it over a layered piece. I really like this. There's this one. Even just putting words like this in a collage will make it interesting. I love the cameras, and I like that it has a vintage feel, so it'll give your whatever you're collaging like a nice style. These are some animals right here. I think I might be able to use this in the journal I'm working on right now. And there's this. These are different. I like them. And I like that you can just put them over things because they're clear. They're clear, but they're not like that transparent vellum clear. They're just like completely clear. So that's really cool. I'll put that back later. This looks pretty. I love anything with thread, scissors, needles, just because I love the sewing theme so much. These are a nice thick cardstock. I love this. And I love this. I've never seen this before. I'm not sure what it is. I like the handle on that. This is great to, you could put an image on this side and then someone can journal on the back. It makes a great journaling card, these kind of plain images. Same with these. I think these are really nice cards just to add into a journal. And I love this style. These are really pretty. They're clear. So there's a sewing machine. There's this. Do you guys know what that is? I don't know what it is, but I like how that looks. Little scissors, pin cushion, scissors, all these little details. I think I'm gonna make a spread that's vintage sewing themed, and these will be really fun to use. This is tough to get out. Okay. I just love these colors. I love the way these flowers are drawn. And this whole piece is like a sticker backing. So that is really cool. This makes me want to do a vintage sewing collage like soon. The way these are drawn right here kind of reminds me of the 70s. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. It's a little charm in the shape of a sewing machine. That is so adorable. I love it. Okay, and last but not least is this. I have been wanting something like this. I was going to order something like this. So it's a very sharp tip. I love the detail on here. I love it so much. Okay, I have to say that I think this is my favorite box so far. Like, I love the designs on the papers. It's very cohesive. Love these stickers. Love these stickers even more. The stamps are really nice looking. They look very quality. The way they're aged, or the way they made them look vintage. And then just so many little details, but I love this the most. I really love this box. I'm glad I didn't peek. I hope you guys liked seeing what came in this month's box. Again, if you're interested, please check them out down below. And I cannot wait to collage with this. So excited about that. And I have a lot of sewing themed things coming. So I think it's going to make a great collage. But thank you so much for watching, and check them out down in the link below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.